This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is 7,612 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.